Hi guys, Jason here. How you guys doing? Hope you all are doing great. And it has been some time that I have uploaded any of my videos. Sorry for that. Without any delay, let's start. So today, we are going to log on to a Discord bot and send messages to a server as a bot anonymously. It is going to be step-by-step tutorial, so watch till the end. We can only do this to server in which you have administrative access. The bot has some limitations like can't join voice chats and so we go. So first log on to Discord developer portal with the required credentials, then create an application. Name given here would be the name of the bot. Now you can customize the bot profile as per your need if you want. Keep that tab open. In a new tab, head over and search live Discord bot GitHub. Head over to the repository and go to releases and download the required version based on the system that you are using. Now extract the files to a folder. Now click on the 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗃 file. Now we want to get the bot token. For that, head over to developer portal and go to installation section and check the specified boxes as shown. Now copy the link and paste to add the bot to the required server. Here I am using a test server. You can add to any server that you have administrative access. Now you can see the bot has been added. Now head over to developer portal to get the token. Head over to bot tab and copy the token. Sometimes you may need to reset the token to see the token. Check in the boxes and follow the steps that I show. Check administrator, or you can selectively check the areas of access for the bot. Now open the LiveBot app and enter the token and hit enter. You are good to go. Here is a little demo.